This is the Android application program to demonstrate BMI calculator. BMI means body mass index. This is the important aspect to know whether our height is properly matching with our weight. So let's start with the program. First I'll be giving the title. Align it properly. Change the text. Give the title as BMI calculator. Next I'll change the text color. Let it be 34. Next I'll change the color. Next I'll take two plain text. One is for accepting the weight and another one is for accepting the height. Again we'll align it properly. We'll change the ID. Let it be WT. Next I'll change the text. I'll make it empty and provide the hint. I'll tell enter weight. It has to be in kg. Next I'll change the hint color. Let it be purple. Now I'll change the ID as HT. Click on refactor. Now I'll change the text. I'll make the text empty. Then I'll give the hint as enter height. Height has to be in centimeter. We'll change the color also, hint color. Let it be green. Then I'll take a button. I'll change the text. So I'll give it as calculate. And I'll give the function name in the on click. And give as CAL. So this is the function. And align it properly. Now we'll move to the Java file. Whenever I click on this calculate, it has to perform the calculation, that is it has to take the weight and the height. So for that I have given on click cal. We'll write the function for that in the Java file. So for that I'll take public void cal is the function name that I have given. View space view, give alter enter. First I'll take edit text because I have used plain text in the XML file. I'll take w as the variable. Now I'll extract the value that the user gives in weight index. Find view by id r dot id dot wt. That is the id I have given there. Same as that, edit text h equals find view by id r dot id dot ht. So now I need to convert that into double for the purpose of calculation. Double height, this is the variable, equals double dot pass double. Double dot pass double. This function is required to convert the string to the double format. W dot to text, w dot get text dot to string. So here first we'll be taking the text from the variable w and converting that to that string. Then it will be converted to the double using this function. Same as that, double. So here for height I have to take h. Here for weight weight equals double dot percent pass double, that is in w dot find get text dot to string. After that I'll be taking one more variable, double height in meter. So here height I have taken in centimeter, that I'll be converting to the meter. For that I have taken this variable. To convert the height in the centimeter to the meter, I have to multiply that with the 0.01. So for that height into 0.01. Now I'll calculate the BMI, that is double I'll be taking the variable as BMI equals, formula for calculating the BMI is weight divided by height square. So for that I'll take weight, weight divided by, I'll take the height in meter into height in meter. We'll keep this in a bracket. After that, now I'll be calculating the BMI and tell the result using the pop-up message. For that I'll be using if condition. If BMI is less than 18.5, then I'll use toast for displaying the message. This this is underweight. And also tell the BMI value. Underweight BMI is so you have to use plus to concatenate BMI. Next, we have to use else if my BMI is else if the BMI is greater than or equal to 18.5 and BMI is less than or equal to 24.9, then it is a normal weight. I'll show that message. Normal weight BMI is put the BMI value BMI, then again use else if to check the next condition. If BMI is greater than or equal to 25 and BMI is less than or equal to 29.9, then it is overweight. So I'll show that toast dot make text. So we'll take the default one. I have to show the message as overweight BMI is, show the BMI value, then again use else. Here I am not checking any condition. If it is more than, if the BMI is more than 29 or 30, then I have to show the result as obesity. BMI is so this is all about this program. Now we'll see the output of BMI calculator. I'll enter the weight in kg. Let it be 65. I'll enter the height. Let it be 170 and click on calculate. It is the normal weight and the BMI value is 22.49. So for this height in centimeter, 65 is a proper weight. So I'll change the weight, let it be 80. Now we'll check with the height of 170, weight of 80 is, it's overweight and the BMI value is 27.681. Since it is a toast message, it will just show and disappear. We'll change the height, let it be 160 and the weight be 60 or just a 50. Click on calculate. It is a normal weight. We'll decrease it to 40 and check. It's underweight. So for 160 centimeter height, 40 weight is underweight. So this is all about this program. Thank you.